Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. Right now I'm going to show how to use incognito mode on Google Chrome for iPhone, iPad and Mac. Are you looking for a way to browse the web without having to delete your browsing history every now and then? If so, you may be interested in taking advantage of a privacy-oriented browser feature called Incognito Mode that's available on Google Chrome. It's accessible all platforms including iPhone, iPad and Mac, and it's pretty easy to use. That's all being said, it's time to learn how to use Incognito Mode on Google Chrome for iPhone, iPad and Mac. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, I'm going to show how to enable incognito mode in Google Chrome on iPhone and iPad. To do so, launch the Chrome app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap on the triple dot icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will give you access to Chrome options. Here, tap on New Incognito tab. There you go. So that's how you can enable incognito mode in Google Chrome on your iPhone or iPad. Now a new tab will open up within Chrome and you will be shown a brief description of this feature. Now go ahead and browse the web with complete peace of mind, knowing that your browsing history will not be saved. Next up, I'm going to show how to enable incognito mode in Google Chrome on Mac. To do so, launch Google Chrome app on your Mac and then click on the triple dot icon located next to the profile icon. Now choose the incognito window from the drop-down menu and you are good to go. This will launch a new Google Chrome window that can be used to browse privately. Alternately, you can launch a new incognito window from the menu bar by clicking on the File menu and then choosing New Incognito Window in the drop-down menu. It's worth pointing out that you can also use a pretty handy keyboard shortcut, Command plus Shift plus N, to quickly enable incognito mode in Google Chrome on your Mac. That's all there is to it. So that's how you can take advantage of Google Chrome on your iPhone, iPad and Mac to browse the web with complete peace of mind, knowing that your browsing history will not be saved. If you have found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.